Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get rid of, do you know, like in gadgets, you see this, if you're on like a kind of scaling that's kind of like, for example, I have a 2K display right now and I have my scaling set to 175. Normally if you would set it to 100, it would actually be like, normal. I don't think it's going to be normal for me though. Yeah, it's not normal right now. So basically, how do you fix this? So I know a lot of people have like 2K displays and 4K and even 8K sometimes. So today I'll show you how to fix this. So first you need to actually like you need to find so if you have the gadgets open, then on apps, right click on Windows desktop gadgets, press open file location. I have that open right now. And then now press end task. I'm on Windows 11 22H2, so like I have new stuff, but like this also works on older versions. And now, since you end that, now here it is. Right click on sidebar.exe, press properties, and then you will find compatibility. Now press change high DPI settings. And now press override high DPI scaling behavior, performed by. Change this to system. System enhanced does the same thing. And now press apply. So now once you do that, if you open the gadgets now, it became perfect. It's all good. Basically what this does is like it just bitmap scales it because it malfunctions with like the normal DPI scaling and it doesn't support it. It's showing random like you know those pink stuff. And now it's fixed. So it got DPI scaled or like BMP scaled, bitmap scaled. Okay, I don't know how to say that, but like it's a bitmap scaled, and now you can see it's perfect now. Thank you guys for visiting this video. Please like and subscribe. Sorry if I didn't upload. I had a lot of stuff. Bye now. I hope you subscribe, or else Windows 11 will install on your computer.